I caught it.
Hey, it's Sarah from the Happy Hootie. I've been looking for things to keep my kids busy on these really hot summer days. And I saw a recipe for fluffy slime. So we're gonna try it out and see how it works. So I've got all the ingredients here. It calls for glue. I got the cheapest shaving cream I could find, some hot water, borax. I think that's it. So we're gonna mix them together. So what we do to start, I've got my hot water. We get 1 tablespoon of borax.
Ooh, it's foamy.
Okay, and then we stir that together.
Okay.
So get it
Why is
stirred
it turning white?
It's just the mix of it. So we get all that all dissolved in there. Okay, so we're gonna set that aside. Now I've measured out 1 cup of glue. And I've got 3 to 4 cups of shaving cream. I just went ahead and did the 4 cups. So since I've got my spatula in here, I'm gonna add in the shaving cream first. Okay, my helper on this side is gonna put it in there. All right, now we're gonna switch turns and you get to add your glue in. We got the 1 cup of glue.
Ooh, it's gonna be so sticky. Can we change colors? Change its colors?
You can add colors at the end. It's gonna turn out white. So if you wanna add a color in later, you just use standard food coloring.
Can I mix it?
Just a few drops of it, but I am just gonna keep it white because we don't need the extra coloring right now here. Now we have to add in our 1/2 cup of water. So this is just regular temperature, 1/2 cup water. We're gonna dump that in, and then we are going to stir this together.
It's gonna be fluffy. Did you see what's, since shaving cream is fluffy, it's gonna make it all fluffy.
Yes, I hope so. Okay, so as we stir it up here, everything's gonna mix together. That's all we've got right now. So now we have to mix in our borax, and it just wants to do just a little bit at a time until it looks the right consistency. So we're gonna just add in a little bit, and that'll help stiffen it up.
It just helps it stiff?
Yep, see it's starting to get stiffer. You can see where I've put it. Do you see that?
Yeah.
How it's kind of slowly moving? So let's add a little bit more in.
Is it getting sticky?
Yeah, you see the consistency is changing as we're adding this in.
Ooh, it's
Hold
getting
on.
sticky.
You gotta wait. Once we do this, it won't stick to your hands. It'll just be fluffy, fluffy, fluffy fun. Okay, let's do a little bit more because it looks like it could use a little bit more before it's not sticky. So that's 3 tablespoons that I've used here.
Oh my gosh! We're gonna need little bowls so we can each have our own. Because this is gonna be way too good.
It's still pretty sticky.
I like it the way it is. Because look,
Wow.
it's so fluffy and sticky.
My turn?
It feels like juice.
Okay, so
Hey, go.
it probably could use a little bit more still. You want to get to the point that it's not.
Ah!
But if you have impatient kids like I do, it probably will be okay for now. Actually, as you get it moving, it's not sticking anymore. So we've got ourselves some fluffy slime to play with. If you did want to color it, you just add a few little drops of food coloring, and you mix it up, and you can have all sorts of fun. And this will keep my kids busy for quite a while.
It's a face now.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
I'm gonna play ball. Mommy, yes. Let's make a mommy. I guess I can.